Can't believe this happened to his car. Propagate.
Why you late, bruh?
Man, tell me why. Bro. Man, so I told
Did y'all
Trey,
watch this?
Like, man, he's like, we good? You sure? I'm like,
yeah, we seen Chris's Seconds of Lives vid. We watched that one already.
Man, I woke up like 8. Bro said 7:30. I'm like, bro, this dude Trey's gonna be like, you're bullshit.
Yeah, I was like, bro's getting
This
denied.
need to start putting more effort into their YouTube vids.
I'm gonna go ahead and submit my
like, bro,
application and everything.
if you gonna do YouTube, bro, like, just put the effort, bro. Don't half-ass it. Like, if you gonna do YouTube, do it, bro. Do it to your full potential, man. Stop half-assing this shit, bro.
Pay for it, and then bro's gonna
no
be
cap.
like,
here's your refund, bro.
yes, sir.
Motherfucker still fucking sleep, bro.
Sleep, bro. I'm sleep. I don't know what the fuck going on right now, bro.
It's a cold Sunday to complain. I hold it in until it rain. I fought demons after fame. I spent millions on terrain. I treat my bitches like Diana. Pretty princess, hold a Fanta. 2003 Dolce & Gabbana. Jeans make her ass look fatter. We won't catch him outside. He don't got no money. Put it back up. I ran 30 million in the ground. Baby, now I'm back up. She a city girl. I'm the real reason that she act up. She talk back, I make her pack up. Send her home on spirit. Something in my spirit made me not believe I feared. I know bitches period, so I'm watching how I'm speaking. Single but I'm creeping. My main bitch don't need a headache. Half a mil on Maybach's tires flat. I never drive them. Pretty hoes need styling. Balenci shopping, got them wildin'. Tweaking out on Collins and my veins. The Molly throbbing. Rich as hell still robbing. Ain't never love the way I'm rocking. Bentley color goblin. Forest green and lane I'm hogging. Wrap the P like swallowing. Get it through your fucking noggin. Damn. Money's first, I'm always died in. Money's first, I'm always dialed in. Is that a problem?
Coming to Cali?
I'm at M's, off of TV.
Did you just put on lipstick? No, that was Vaseline.
What it is, bro. It could have happened on the highway. Like,
But I'm coming to Cali in May.
I had the homies with me. They had the tools. I didn't.
Wait, they 3 deep in that car? Wait, that is not the same car. That is not the same car.
Static life. You gotta be prepared for it.
That should happen right here too.
You can see all the
debris and shit.
It got a little nut sticking up too. You can see when you click it.
Bro, that's
Washers or bags? You can only have one forever? Bags. Not gonna lie, bro. Oh my god! Yo, I gotta see that motherfucker in slow-mo. Nah, I know that shit hurt like crazy. Yo. My God. Whoa. That was painful. That was actually painful. Bro, imagine, chat, he got stuck. Imagine he got stuck. Bro, oh my God.
Hey, at least I passed the train, right?
You passed the train, bro.
Sway bar links out though.
That looked bad.
Imagine you got that on video, train.
Bro.
That bitch jumped.
That looked bad.
Dude, I know.
Yo. Yo.
And I didn't bring my tools.
Damn.
Right there. Boom.
That shit is crazy high.
That's
Nah, he should have seen that though.
bro.
He should have seen that. He should have seen that, bro.
Slid.
He should have seen that. Look at the motherfucking McLaren, bro. Bro, come on, bro. The McLaren on the floor. That shit is on the ground. Why is that shit low key hard though? What the? Wait, what the hell? That's low key fire.
I said,
Yo, Angel with the big 14 months. Thank you, Angel.
Bro, that shit came out. No.
Shout out to the motherfucking subbers, bro. Thank y'all, bro.
Hey, appreciate it, man.
That looks so bad. Can we see the damages? Oh my god.
Go back.
No, 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 no.
Bro.
Just go forward. Pull over. Just pull over, bro. Nah, he's
Bro
bugging.
got everybody in his goddamn shop looking.
Bro. Just. Oh my god. Take the turn! Just turn! Right there!
You wanna go to the next one? That shit looks smooth.
Yeah. Next one.
That sounds so bad. Oh. Nah, static shit though. Big static. Big static. Hey, my shit would have broke right then and there, chat. I'm not even gonna lie to you. My shit would have broke right then and there, bro. So nobody got no tools? Nah, W cameraman forgetting all that too. No cap.
Roger, me too, bro. Today I don't have my fucking jack on me, bro.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Not the scissor jack.
Front or back, turn the blade D. Do the triple S when I'm in the free. Knock her home to a knee. Beat her back down, bitch trying to ski. Bitch turn around, come suck the meat. Round for round, finna beat her till she sleep. Eat that pussy up, bone appetite. Take her back a day like I'm on a G. Slow it down, baby, ride me like a Z. Double cup, you gon' ride me straight to sleep. Two hoes trying to fuck me while I'm geek. Blame it on the pill when she get it beat. Going ham on her when I give her D. Going home, boy, I gotta keep it P. Gotta go home to a better She gonna bump and boom. She gonna make that booty move. I'm in that bitch, got that hoe in the move.
Bro, the
And we
music!
to the moon. Real some shit that we done for the do. One of my bro hoes came out the ooh. I don't know, but that hoe with the ooh.
Yo, nah, that was
Man,
cool.
on his crib.
That was a cool little short little video or whatever. That was cool. That was cool. That was cool. Bruh, what the f? Nah, the music at the end was hilarious.